Place the four cloves and the side cloves here. Here's face here. Face the middle of here is the best here. The right and the left is the same. Here's the full camera view, and the side camera can adjust. Use this U tool. Adjust the angle. Adjust E. And this is the front, rear, left, right. The right the view is the same. You can adjust and use this adjust E. Adjust the left the side camera. The length is 多少? This is the car length, the front and rear close distance. This is the offset. This is the car length and is the two close distance.
OK， 可以了没有？
可以了。
OK 啊。可以了。你已经在录了吗？
在录了。
calculation password 111 OK.
Input the wavelength offset and select the menu calculation. Click select the top black.
按一下0。
Press the remote
0 key.
0.
OK.
OK. And can hear.
Confirm.
Press OK.
OK.
Another top, black top.
OK.
OK. And left.
Press 0 key. OK.
OK. Press
OK.
OK. 暂停。遥控器看不到。
OK。第二个，谁说没移动啊？你开。
The front view.
The rear view.
The rear view. Select the left top, black, and press the 0 to adjust.
第二个点是在这里。
The second is the right.
错了，先把这个点调了一下。Left.
The left.
OK.
Right. Left.
OK.
Right. Here, this key. See here.
OK.
Okay.
Right camera.
Right camera.
OK
right. Okay.
OK
Okay.
OK， 后视肯定没出来，后视错了，后视选择点了。OK save，
Save.
adjust the rear view
Adjust
camera
the rear view camera.
again.
111.
OK. The first. OK. OK. 这一 side OK， 这个点选到那里去。哎，怎么只有3个点？